Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Little Dino. I hope you will like my videos. Today I am going to teach you letter B and letter C. So this is B, capital B and small b. So look at the pictures there. This is bat. You know what is bat? Like a bat and ball? Beaver bat, beaver bicycle, beaver boat, beaver bus, and beaver bag. Why I am calling it beaver? Because the phonic of B is B, beaver. And there are some more things which are starting from B, like a beaver balloon, beaver book, beaver bat, that bird bat, and beaver banana, beaver butterfly. Okay, look at this page. This is book of my student. So this is B. Look, tracing of B. Transport. Circle the pictures beginning with B and color them. There is boat, bus, bicycle, and helicopter. Helicopter is not starting from B. So that's why bicycle, circle, bicycle, bus, and boat. Okay. So this is letter C, capital C and small c. You can call it lowercase c, and this is uppercase c. What is the phonic of C? Phonic of C is k, k, c, k. And okay, so this is C, k, cake, C, k, cat, C, k, cap, C, k, carrot, and C, k, cup. This is C, k, clock, and C, k, calendar. Okay, look at this picture. Color the car red and the cap blue and the cup yellow. Look. Car, cap, and cup. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.